Imagine getting paid just for buying things you already buy. Groceries, clothes, even food delivery. Sounds fake right now, but in the USA, people are making hundreds of dollars every year using cashback apps. In this video, I will show you the best cashback apps in the USA, the ones that actually pay and ones you should avoid. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you like saving money, making money and smart online hacks, you are in the right place. Today's video is super practical because this is not about working harder. It's about earning money from what you already do every day. So what exactly is cashback? It's simple. You spend money and you get a percentage back. For example, if you spend $100 and get 10% cashback, you earn $10 back. Now imagine doing that on even purchase, groceries, Amazon orders, even travel. Over time, that adds up to hundreds of dollars a year with zero extra effort. First up, Rakuten. This is one of the most popular cashback platforms in the US. It works with thousands of stores like Walmart, Target, and Macy's. Here's how it works. You click through the app or browser exception. Shop like normal and earn cashback automatically. You can earn anywhere from 1% to 50%, sometimes even more during special deals. Downside, they pay quietly, not instantly. But overall, this is one of the highest paying cashback apps out there. So right now, download this app. Is Ibotta. If you buy groceries, this app is a must-have. It works with stores like Walmart, Target, and Costco. All you do is add offers in the app, buy the items, scan your receipt, and boom, you get cashback. Many users save $30 to $80 per month just from groceries. Third is Fetch Rewards. This one is super simple. No need to select offers. Just scan any receipt and you earn points. You can scan receipts from grocery stores, restaurants, gas station. It's probably the easiest cashback app for beginners. Next, Capital One Shopping. This is like a smart shopping assistant. It automatically finds better prices, applies coupon codes, gives rewards. If you shop online a lot, this tool can save you a ton of money. So right now, follow the strategy. Finally, ShopBack. This app is growing fast in the US. It works from online shopping and even travel bookings. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or bank transfer. Simple, clean, and effective. Here's when most people miss up. They install the apps but don't actually use them correctly. Avoid these mistakes. Forgetting to active cashback. Using random coupon codes that cancel cashback. Not reaching the minimum payout. If you avoid this, you will actually make real money. Here is a pro tip most people don't know. Use multiplication cashback methods together. For example, use Rakuten plus your credit card cashback. That's mean you earn cashback twice on the same purchase. That's how smart users maximize their savings. So those are best cashback apps in the US right now. If you start using them today, you can literally earn money from your normal spending. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment cashback for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Goodbye.